Azure provides an excellent web page showing Microsoft data centers and various other physical infrastructures in a friendly global image. To view this, navigate to datacenters.microsoft.com/globe/explore. The globe shows the physical infrastructure plotted against each country. It includes additional details such as the inception year, product availability, and global compliance levels. It's a fun way to check them. You should take a few minutes to play around with this. The globe also supports filtering the infrastructure plotting. Let me unselect everything except the regions. Now the globe shows only the regions available across the world. If we take India, it shows two regions, South India and Central India. Selecting the Central India region shows the details about that specific region. You can get details about the location, the year it was opened, the product list, complaints levels, and so on. Similarly, we can see the details for the South India region. Let's pick another country. Azure has many more regions for the US, East US, East US 2, West US, and so on. Notice that the region naming convention is quite simple. Regarding region pairs, if we head back to India, Central India and South India are considered region pairs. Azure publishes its platform's complete list of region pairs supported in its documentation. This list shows them as of the time of this recording. For Central India, the region pair is South India. Similarly, for West India, the region pair is again South India. Meanwhile, for North America, the region pair for East US is West US. As you know, Azure keeps expanding their infrastructure. Hence, the list you see on your machine may differ from that shown here at time of this recording.